This is the lightweight Schrade SCH-002 Everyday Carry Folding Knife, one of two models in the SCH-002 series. Crafted to be a lightweight everyday carry pocket blade, the sassy SCH-002 sports a rugged yet low-profile, honeycomb grip and covert tactical-style blade that looks as sharp as it cuts. Honed from tough, edge-retaining 8CR13 MOV high-carbon stainless steel, the SCH-002 boasts a stealth, black-coated, fine-edged blade. Combined with the tough drop point, the SCH-002 is more than capable of handling any urban or wilderness cutting task. When not in use, the blade folds into the handle by sliding the internal steel liner lock to the side and carefully closing the blade. Use the spine side index flipper or one of the ambidextrous thumb studs to quickly call the blade into action. The rugged, water-shedding black TPR handle slabs are contoured to fit the human hand. Top side, front and rear jimping, and a molded honeycomb handle pattern improve grip without creating undue hot spots on bare hands. To the rear of the handle, a lanyard hole is available for additional safety. Secure the knife to your pocket with the spring steel clip, or drop the blade in a pocket, pack or pouch for deep concealment. Styled for everyday carry, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCH-002 Liner Lock Folding Pocket Knife.
This is the Jukebox from Gerber. At first glance, it's a throwback to the kind of knife you'd find back in the day. But look closer and you'll see we've made modern enhancements to this classic. An extended finger flipper tang gives you instant access to the full-edge modern sheepsfoot blade. Its acrylic handle scales are available in two styles. The Jukebox brings old school style up to date.
Let me introduce you to the old-timer 152 OT sharp finger fixed blade hunting and survival knife. Often described as a modified Skinner, its upswept 3.3-inch fine-edge blade of flat ground 7CR17 high-carbon stainless steel offers a large cutting area in a small package. Perfect for dressing game and fish and just about any camping chore thrown at it, the 152 OT is constructed to stand up to hard use in the field. Your hands are well protected from the razor-sharp blade by the raised and textured handle design. The concave spine toward the handle provides a perfect thumb or forefinger rest, increasing leverage and blade control. When held, the 152 OT has a comfortable natural feel due to the full tang blade that gently arches through the virtually indestructible genuine saw-cut OT handle scales. The two halves of the finely etched handle are attached to the exposed tang by twin nickel-plated compression rivets. Safely secured with a keeper strap and snap, the 152 OT is housed in a handsome chestnut brown fitted leather sheath designed to easily slide over any belt. The handsome old-timer shield calls to mind the proud tradition of the old-timer signature collection of knives and tools. Designed to serve you every day, yet built for generations.